EJC, delivered by this representation on August 27, 2024. At this juncture, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Senator Robin Hood Padilla, member of this committee, and later on, Senator Christopher Bongo will be joining us. And supposed to be Senator Amy Marcos, but for some reasons, she's not available at this point in time. May I request Attorney Andre Mortel, our committee secretary, to please acknowledge our resource persons present today.
Ngayong hapon sa iyong tanan, Mr. Chairman, magandang hapon po. From the Department of Interior and Local Government, we have Attorney Juan Victor R. Llamas, Undersecretary for External, Legal, and Legislative Affairs. With him is Attorney Lord A. Villanueva, Undersecretary for Operations and Assistant Secretary for, and we also have Attorney Romeo Benitez, Assistant Secretary for Legal and Legislative Affairs. With him is Attorney Ross Rafael T. Bascudo. From the Department of Justice, we have Attorney Oliver Saniel, City Prosecutor. We have from the Davao City, the Honorable Mayor Sebastian Z. Duterte. Good morning, sir. And with him is Vice Mayor Melchor B. Kitanjo. From the Department of Social Welfare and Development, Region 11, we have Attorney Vanessa B. Gokong, Director 4. From the Commission on Human Rights, for Region 11, we have Regional Director Junit Rose F. Baroquillo. From the Integrated Bar of the Philippines Davao Chapter, President of the IBP, Attorney Aiza May Kanda. From the NAPOLCOM, we have Vice Chairperson and Executive Officer Alberto A. Bernardo. From the National Bureau of Investigation, we have Regional Director for Southeastern Mindanao Regional Office, Attorney Arcelito Albao. From the Commission on Higher Education, Region 11, Director Maricar R. Casquejo. From the Department of Education, Region 11, we have Dr. Rebon Famil Baguio. From the Jose Maria College Foundation Incorporated, we have Attorney Kathleen K. M. Laurente and Attorney Dina Tolentino Fuentes, Legal Counsel. From the Lyceum of the Philippines Davao, we have Dr. Kenny James Merino. From the Philippine National Police, we have for Director of Operations, Police Brigadier General Nicolas Salvador. Representing Special Action Force PNP, we have Police Colonel Rex Arvin P. Malimban. From the Criminal Investigation and Detection